Good morning, everybody. Today I am taking you along with what I eat in a day, and usually I start my days off with about 2 cups of coffee. As someone who does intermittent fasting, this is a lifeline. I also need coffee for many other reasons, as everyone has their reasons for coffee. It keeps me sane, and yeah, so I am going to take you along. I've done intermittent fasting since 2018. It has really changed my life and really taught me a lot about discipline, which is kind of silly, but yeah, it has taught me so much. And I usually do around 16-8. So no, I don't. I'm stupid. It's too early. It is too early for this. I do 18-6. Sorry, I do 18-6 usually. And when I first started, I started off with 16-8. That's why I was saying that. But now I do 18-6 usually about every day except Saturday. So, and today's Thursday. So yeah, let's start this day. Okay, so as you just saw, I made myself some wonderful green tea. Usually between now and eating, I will either have another thing of coffee or some tea, and then I will drink a ridiculous amount of water just to rehydrate myself after all of that caffeine. So yeah, I'm gonna get some work done, and then hopefully I will see you guys at lunchtime. Another thing I want to mention is clearly I am not a dietitian or nutritionist, even though I love, nutrition and all those things. Don't take my advice too seriously, okay? Don't come for my neck. But yeah, I just wanted to state that because, I don't know, don't come for my neck. So. Also, Abby Sharp, if you're watching this, let me know how I did. That would be amazing. All right, it's finally lunchtime. lunch or breakfast. So I've been eating this breakfast for about a year now. I'm kind of starting to get a little tired of it. So if you have any suggestions for brunch ideas, let me know in the comment section below. I love drippy eggs. I don't know why or how, but yeah, they're just so good. So I suggest you try it. I season it with salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and red pepper flakes. So do not skimp out on seasoning your eggs because, yeah, I don't know how people eat plain eggs or plain anything. So yeah, try it out and you will not be disappointed. Also, you absolutely have to try the Kirkland strawberry jam. Like, it literally tastes like some little old grandma just spent her whole weekend making this jam. So like, seriously, it is absolutely the best thing I've ever spent money on. It is absolutely so good. Okay, so I just finished my lunch, and what I eat every day usually for lunch is 3 eggs, 2 pieces of toast with the strawberry jam, and some sort of fruit. I literally didn't have any. I need to go to the store, and my car's in the shop, so kind of stranded. But yeah, I usually like to eat either an orange or some grapes or some strawberries along with what I eat every day. I started adding more carbs into my diet because I track my calories, and I noticed that I was feeling so tired. And I'm like, why am I so tired? There's absolutely no reason why I should be so tired. And so then I was messing around with my app and I noticed that my carbs were so low. So then I added a lot more carbs in, and it has changed. Like, I am no longer exhausted after having a 8-hour night's sleep. So I just think that's really cool. That's the fun part about tracking, and I'm going to do a whole separate video on that because it is just truly life-changing, and I love knowing like what's going in and out of my body. And I know you can't really be 100% accurate on those things, but it is really eye-opening to know what's going in your body. And serving sizes, oh my goodness, serving sizes have really changed a lot for me because like I would put like heaping amounts of strawberry jam or butter or, you know, things like that in my food. And so those things add up, and there's, you know, serving sizes for a reason. So after this, since I fast, I usually will have 2 big meals and then a snack, and usually like a coffee drink of choice. So I'm probably going to make myself a latte today. Woo. But yeah, and then I'm thinking of maybe making a chocolate chip panuki today. I don't know yet. I'm thinking about it. Okay, so now it's time for the best part of the day, which is iced latte time. So I have a Nespresso Vertuo. It's like their bougie line. I don't really know. There's like the original and then Vertuo. And so literally I recommend this to absolutely every single soul that comes in this house because like I just cannot get enough. This has been the best thing ever. Like, if you are a coffee fanatic, buy one of these. Like, you will not be disappointed. But anyway, so I will show you how I make my iced latte. I can't decide if I want lavender latte or a caramel latte. I think I might do caramel because I've been on a lavender kick lately, but yeah, so let's get rolling. So all you need is like a 12-ounce cup. This is a beer can glass. That's what they call it, just because I guess the shape is like a beer can. So place it under there. And then I've been really into double shot lattes recently. So this is what I get. With the Nespresso, you can actually get double shot lattes or double shot espressos. I take this salted caramel syrup that I get from TJ Maxx or any, store like that. And this thing will literally last me like 2 years. So whoa, that was so much. Oh my gosh, sorry. So put some of that in there and then just hit it. And then I like to add another one. And I love how this thing just moves on itself. It's just so satisfying. Okay, so now we got the coffee. That just seems like so much espresso. So yeah, I'm gonna put ice in this. I fill it like up to here because it's a shot of espresso, so I'm about to be off the wall. So I put like a ton of ice and then about a half cup of milk. So I just put my hair up and I just made this, and so it's taste test time. Perfect. Okay, so now it's time for dinner. I'm looking super grungy. My lashes have been looking crazy all day. But so for dinner, I am making chicken marsala with mashed potatoes and broccoli. So I actually buy this Campbell's skillet. It's like cheating almost, but this is so good. My mom and I have made chicken marsala by itself, like from scratch, and honestly, it's not as good as this. Maybe it was just us or the recipe, but this is pretty good. So we're gonna use this, and then I'm going to start working on the panuki. So I'm super excited about that because we have a 10-inch skillet now, and so I really have been wanting to make that. So yeah, let's get started. So I would say tonight's dinner was a smash. As always, you can never go wrong with the Campbell's chicken marsala packet thing. It's really expensive now, but it's pretty worth it. So what do you think of tonight's dinner?
It was superb, splendid, just like the chef.
Well, I'm glad you like it. Okay, so I may or may not have already had a bite. It's amazing. So now I'm just gonna cut it up for us, and then we're gonna have dessert. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos every single Friday, and I hope to see you next Friday. See you then.